Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is gonna be a very interesting video because we're gonna talk about glycolic acid, and that too from a very famous brand, that is the ordinary glycolic acid. And in this video I'm gonna share all the different ways that you can use a glycolic acid, and I'm also gonna tell you guys the safest method to use a glycolic acid. So let's quickly begin the video and talk about this. So we're gonna start off with the basics first. So glycolic acid is a AHA, which means it is a water soluble acid, and it has tiny molecules that gets absorbed into your skin very quickly. A little precaution I'm gonna give in the beginning of the video itself is that AHA or BHA, whenever this word comes, or any acid, you cannot use it more than twice a week. And if you use it more than that, you may get burnouts on your skin. It may damage your skin barrier as well. So keep that in mind. Now talking about the glycolic acid 7% toning solution, just because the name says it's a toning solution, it doesn't mean it is a toner and can be used every single day. It can only be used twice a week, both on your hair, face, or anywhere else on your body. Don't use it more than twice a week. Now glycolic acid can be used in so many different ways, and this one from Ordinary is very affordable as well, and that is the reason of its popularity, because it works great. It came in a bigger bottle. Now when it comes to con of using a glycolic acid, only thing that I will suggest you guys is that to wear sunscreen every single day whenever you are using vitamin C, retinol, glycolic acid, AHA, BHA, or any kind of acid on your skin, because all these acids and AHA and BHA, it make your skin photosensitive. The moment you get out in sun, it is definitely going to damage your skin, and it is going to make your skin even more sensitive to sun and to all the other products that you are going to use. If you are not using sunscreen while using all those products on your skin, you are just doing bad for your skin. You definitely will gonna see signs of aging on your skin sooner, because your skin barrier is damaged now, your skin is more photosensitive. So either you just don't use any of these acids, if you are someone who is very careless with your sunscreen, or if you are using it, make sure to apply your sunscreen every single time you are going out in the sun. Now talking about the ways in which you can use glycolic acid, number one, and it's gonna be the most useful one, I'm telling you guys, if you have dandruff, or if someone in your family face dandruff issues, use glycolic acid on the scalp. Like within one use you will gonna see huge difference. Like it definitely reduce your dandruff, and I saw this in person, like with someone very close in my family, and it definitely is very beneficial for them. So if you have dandruff issues, or if you have itchy scalp, or if you have scalp buildup, which mostly happens when you go to the gym regularly, like scalp buildup is very normal thing, you can definitely use glycolic acid. It absorbs the excess oil in your scalp, and it cleans your scalp as well. So if you want to use it for your hair, this is the best way to use it, and only use it on your scalp and not on your hair length. Again, maximum you can use this is twice a week, not more than that, for scalp as well. Second, if you are someone with dark underarms, just take little bit of glycolic acid on your cotton pad and wipe your underarm with that, again twice a week, and in the PM. Don't use glycolic acid in the daytime. We don't apply sunscreens in the underarm area, rather just wear something full sleeve, because I did get a question like, do we need to apply sunscreen on the underarm areas? I personally feel like we don't. I don't apply sunscreens in my underarm area, and I don't think it is safe also, because it is very sensitive as well. So yeah, if you're someone with dark underarm, you do not need to use anything else with it. You can just simply, after taking shower, just take a little bit of glycolic acid on the cotton pad and wipe your underarms with it while going to bed, and not in the daytime. That is something to keep in mind. Thirdly, using it as an exfoliant. Now everyone and absolutely anyone can use this as an exfoliant, but if you are someone who has acne prone skin, who cannot use physical or chemical scrubs, you can definitely use glycolic acid or mandelic acid on your face to get rid of the dead skin cell. But if you are someone with severe acne or active acne, use only once a week, but do use this, because it's gonna get rid of the dead skin cells or the excess product buildup or the sebum secretion that you have on your skin, and it is gonna help improve your acne as well. But just don't use it more than once a week. Otherwise, burnout, sensitivity, everything is gonna be there, and you will gonna blame me. So always take precautions before applying anything on your face. And if you're someone with oily, normal or any skin type that doesn't have active acne, you can use it twice a week. And that is because glycolic acid generally have a pH level of 5.5, and the more the pH, the more acidic the product becomes. So that's why it is not safe to use it more than twice. And these were all the ways in which I use my glycolic acid, and I hope this video is a little helpful. And I'll see you guys with another video. Till then, bye bye.